7 people were killed, 4 in police firing as parts of Gujarat remain tense today over the Patel reservation row. The violence was sparked off by the detention of Hardik Patel, the 21-year-old leader of the protests, who's demanding reservations for the community in government jobs and educational institutions. Prime Minister Modi stepped in this morning and appealed for peace in a statement, saying that solutions can be found through discussions. The situation in Ahmedabad is currently under control, though there's still curfew in 9 police station areas. Schools will remain closed tomorrow as well, both in Ahmedabad as well as Surat. The army has also been called in.
Gujarat simmering in the Kota cauldron.
SRPF forces running behind protesters. They're going to fire. Another tear gas shell has just been fired here in Surat, trying to disperse those crowds. Then an explosion which took place.
Tear gas shells, stone pelting, lathi charge, arson. Buses and police vehicles, public property worth several crore destroyed as protesters clashed with the police across the state. Gujarat is on the boil after Hardik Patel, the 21-year-old leader of the Patel community, was detained and his supporters lathi charged. This after the massive rally demanding reservation for government jobs and educational institutes for the Patel community.
Well, several parts of Ahmedabad continue to be under curfew. In fact, we're in Ghatlode area and you can hear behind me police officials, police personnel moving through the affected parts, making announcements that curfew has been imposed.
The PM appealed for peace going unheard.
ગુજરાતના સૌ ભાઈઓ બહેનોને શાંતિ રાખવા માટે આગ્રહ કરું છું. હિંસાના માર્ગે જઈને ક્યારેય કશું વળતું નથી. આપણે બધા સાથે મળીને વાતચીત દ્વારા સમસ્યાઓના ઉકેલ લાવીએ.
The worst affected Ahmedabad, Surat, Mehsana and Saurashtra, with curfew being imposed in few areas. Shockingly, the police initially not even on the streets, giving rampaging protesters a free run.
At 2 last night, we had imposed curfew in these 9 police station areas. And subsequent to that, incidents have come down in the night.
The Patel community, however, blaming the police for stoking the violence. This CCTV footage accessed from the community, which allegedly shows how last night the police damaged public property.
ये मामला इतना हद से इसलिए आगे चला गया क्योंकि हार्दिक पटेल को 10 मिनट के लिए उसने अरेस्ट कर लिया.
With the violence not ending and a total breakdown of trust between the Patel community and the government, forcing the centre to rush in the army and paramilitary forces.
हमारी प्रतिक्रिया दी थी कि भाई गुजरात में शांति बनाए रखे. सब आंदोलनकारी घर चले गए थे, फिर भी पुलिस ने घर में घुसकर बच्चों को मारा, उनकी गाड़ियों के कांच तोड़ दिए, जला दिए गए.
But the protesters also deliberately targeting even the media.
We were traveling on this flyover in Surat when suddenly these protesters began pelting stones at us. It has completely shattered our windscreen and you can see that stone there. It's a huge one which could have hit anybody of us.
The presence of paramilitary forces will help, but as the evening descends under the cover of darkness, the worry Gujarat could suffer another round of unending violence.